Hi everyone, Stacy here with Craft's House of Cards and Games, and in this video I'm going to be opening up a box of Topps Baseball 2013 Series 1. This is not a hobby though, this is retail. We bought this at Walmart and you can see it's got some different stuff than the hobby box does. It's got 10 packs plus one exclusive commemorative patch card inside, and also it's got the blue bordered parallel cards, 2 in every pack. So it's different from the hobby set. You're going to get different cards, and the commemorative patches are also seem to be exclusive to the retail boxes. And we're also going to be looking for relics in here. Could possibly get some. So we like the Topps Baseball 2013, so we'll go ahead and open it up. And so far with this Topps Baseball, we've opened up one hobby box of 50 cards per pack, and we opened 10 packs of that, and then we opened an extra pack that we just bought separate. So, and we've gotten some decent stuff, not phenomenal. So inside of here is going to be 10 packs, but they're going to be a lot smaller. They're not going to be 50 cards per pack. And here we go. So we'll leave this to the end. That's the patch card. So there's 8 cards per pack, so you know the odds of getting inserts are significantly smaller with these, obviously. Hey, we know this guy, Alex Rodriguez. They're nice looking cards. We got an insert there. So Chasing History. Chipper Jones. Don't think we've gotten this one before. That's nice. And then here are the 2 blue bordered parallel cards. So this is a different way of collecting the set. You know, we've seen the gold, we've seen the emeralds. Well, they also have blue borders, they have pink borders, and a bunch of different other ones. Camel. So this is the blue bordered ones, and we got Luis Aea and Adrian Gonzalez as our first 2 blue bordered ones. I mean, there's a whole lot of collecting to do with the Topps Baseball 2013 because there's all different parallel sets that you might want to try to put together. But good luck, and it's going to cost a fortune to try and get them all. The really cool thing about the retail boxes from Walmart and Target and stuff is you still have a chance to get really good stuff, and they're only $20 a box, so they're a lot cheaper than hobby boxes. So next set, I should probably separate out the commons from the uncommons. And we got an emerald, which is good. Gerardo Pera, so cool. And then our blue borders here are Joey Votto and Paul Canerco. And then 2 more. So neat. So it looks like we're getting 1 insert plus the 2 blue bordered cards per pack. So that's kind of neat. I like that. And for only 20 bucks, you know, really a bargain. And here we got a little tiny card, the mini Chris Sale. And our blue borders are Jacoby Ellsbury and Justin Upton. Moving on to the next one. This is a calling card. Tim Lincecum. And this is the first one we've seen of this in here. This is one of those cards that you can do, enter a drawing, basically. And our blue borders are Alex Gordon and AJ Burnett. So far this box is kind of neat. Less inserts per pack, less packs, but still kind of neat. Here we got a Chasing History. Roberto Clemente for 3,000 hits. And we've got Rafael Furcal and Brett Laurie. Next up, we got a Chasing the Dream Matt Moore, Robert Andino, Brian Shaw. We got a little mini Trevor Bauer, and then we got Craig Kimbrell and Jared. Yeah, read it. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try. So we have 2 packs left after this one, and then we have the commemorative patch, so hopefully we get something good with the commemorative patch. Another Emerald, Andy Chavez. And our blues are Jimmy Rollins and Jamie Garcia. There's a Tiger, Ramon Santiago. Next up, we have a Chasing History, Ken Griffey Jr., consecutive games with a home run. And our blues are Joe Nathan and Desmond Jennings. Last pack, last chance for a relic or an autograph. Cross your fingers. I'm sure the odds are pretty phenomenal though for relics and autographs in this box. Another one of these. I guess that's considered an insert. R.A. Dickey and Andrew McCutcheon. Okay, now and I can feel that it's got a patch on it, so it'll be interesting to see what it is. See what it looks like. And it is Chris Sale. Congratulations, you have received a commemorative patch card of Chris Sale from the 2013 Topps Baseball. The patch on this front of this card was specially created for 2013 Topps Baseball. So I mean, it's neat. It's not game worn, so it doesn't have any kind of specialty to it, but it's kind of a neat thing that you can only get in the retail boxes. So there you go. It was not a great box, but what are you going to expect for 20 bucks, right? Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon. Bye.